Did you know? In Canada, tax knowledge is equal to real money. Learn a bit more and you could save thousands every year. Hey, my name is Linda, a new immigrant to Canada. 6 years ago, I filed my first tax return, and I was completely overwhelmed by the complicated forms. I had no choice but to hire a professional tax preparer at a high price. Whatever he said, I paid. Even though I had questions, he'd brush me off with a few vague explanations. I had no idea whether I was making smart decisions or just being taken advantage of. Then, last year, after filing my taxes honestly like always, I received a notice from the CRA. I owed over $13,000 in tax and penalties. I asked my tax preparer and he casually replied, "Oops, just a small mistake." That was the moment I woke up. This wasn't just a number, it was a life-altering financial trap. And I'm not alone. Many newcomers to Canada have similar experiences, brushed off by tax preparers or misled by software. According to the reports, Canadians lose an average $3,000 every year due to tax filing errors. For new immigrants, the number is often even higher. So, I started learning by myself, digging through tax guides, decoding forms, and answering every question I had one by one. The result? A comprehensive resource I built for people like me. 100 questions about Canadian tax filing, a practical knowledge system that could help you legally save thousands of dollars every year. It's not a bunch of random tax tips from the internet. It's a structured guide that answers 112 key questions covering 4 essential modules. 1. Tax basics. Who needs to file? How do you start? 2. Filing process. What documents to prepare? How to report income? 3. Tax savings. What deductions, credits, and hidden benefits can you claim? 4. Risk management. How to self-check your return. What to do if the CRA contacts you. It's written in plain language for everyday people. No accounting background needed. It won't make you a CPA, but it will help you become your household's tax CFO. You will know, first, what to pay and what not to pay, which benefits you qualify, how to tell if your tax preparer is give good advice, how to uncover hidden credits in tax software. In short, you'll stop guessing and starting deciding with confidence. Thanks to the system, I got back the $13,000 in penalties I was wrongly charged. And even more shocking, I realized I had overpaid $30,000 in taxes across 6 years. Now I'm refiling and getting it back, 1 year at a time. Knowledge is power, and sometimes it's literally cash. I warmly invite you to explore 100 questions about Canadian tax filing. Let it help you make sense of the tax system, gain clarity, and protect your hard-earned income. I hope you enjoy the guide. Wishing you a smooth, confident journey in Canada. Less tax, more refunds, no traps, and a life that flows the way you dream it.